So the next step is exploratory data analysis. So what is the exploratory data analysis? We have cleaned the data, we have done all the work, but why still data? So we cannot jump to develop a model or to train a machine learning algorithm or to train a model directly after cleaning the data. So data is cleaned, we have everything with us, we don't have we have worked on outliers, we have worked on missing data. But just to see that if this data makes some sense, we have to do exploratory data analysis. So there are two main things. One is the visualizing the data patterns and identifying the correlation. Visualization is the first step to understand the structure and the trend which are there in the data. Let's say if we are putting a histogram on a customer age, so it can reveal that the many customers are older or younger. So what are the majority of the customer we have? So accordingly we can just rework on the data. And another example, and we can use different tools like matplotlib is there, plot is there, seaborn is there. So these are the tools that help us to visualize the different patterns. And there are different kind of data visualizations, like histogram is there, it is used for a different purpose. Box plots are there, which are used for a different purpose. Scattered plots, bars, charts, heat map, we have multiple kind of visualization techniques. So which technique is used when, and what are the difference into these techniques, that we will cover in a separate video. Alright, so after visualizing the patterns, the next step is that we identify the correlation. Like, so what are the correlation into different labels? So if the salary is there, working salary is there, work experience is there, and machine learning is the profession. So whenever there is a long holiday period, we can see a hype in the hotel booking number. So these kind of patterns we try to identify. Exploratory data analysis is called EDA, and EDA can help us to uncover many relations. Steps using correlation matrix or scatter plots to identify the strong or weak correlation help us to refine our model features also. So there are different techniques by which we can identify these correlations, like pattern recognition, spot trending, correlations and groupings, correlations between two labels and groupings of multiple labels. So these are the different techniques, and there are many more techniques that we will discuss in some other video. So for now, visualizing the patterns and identifying the correlation are the part of exploratory data analysis. Let's move to the next step.